Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a routine home gym by explaining to you what my setup here looks like. So with my setup, I'll be linking all these pieces of equipment down below in the description. But here we have the centerpiece, and so this is the RipFit M1 version 2.0. And so this right here is a Smith Machine power rack. So it's got a dual pulley system, it's got a pull-up bar, you've got the Smith Machine bar, you've got attachment holders and barbell holders on the back as well. And with that, this centerpiece allows me to do a variety of different exercises. And so with my routine, my daily routine, I'm able to just wake up and work out in the comfort of my own home. Instead of having to walk to a commercial gym or drive to a commercial gym, this really does the trick in allowing me to get into the routine of working out right from home. And I always work out at the same time every day, which is around 10 a.m. every single morning. Now, other pieces of equipment that I have, you are going to need a bench. I would recommend that you get dumbbells, but these right here are the Bowflex adjustable dumbbells. These are a bit overboard, so you can just get by with regular weighted dumbbells. And then if you don't have a power rack, I would recommend getting a pull-up bar, but I'm actually gonna get rid of this just because I have the power rack with the pull-up bar already there. But with your routine though, okay, you want to make sure that you work out at the same time every day, and you also want a machine that's going to allow you to hit all your major muscle groups. So with the RipFit Smith Machine power rack, I'm able to do legs, shoulders, chest, back, arms. It allows me to hit all the major muscle groups as compared to not having this rack at all. Now don't get me wrong, even with just dumbbells and a bench, you can also hit practically all the major muscle groups, but working out gets a bit boring. I didn't want to just keep doing dumbbell workouts until the end of time, which is why I got something like this in order to diversify my workouts. And so with working out, part of it should also be that it's enjoyable. And with me having to use just a bench, a pull-up bar, and some bands, okay, I have bands back there, and the adjustable dumbbells for about 1.5 years, it was time for a change, right? I wanted to make my workouts more enjoyable, and so this is what I came out with. But that right there, guys, is how I would actually go ahead and make a routine home gym, and you're in the comfort of your own home. And oh, by the way, my floor mats are from Tractor and Supply Company. So these right here, it's about 8 feet by 9 feet as far as the surface area goes. But if you have any questions though, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching.